Hello guys, you can see today I have the STM32 microcontroller, and actually it is a STM32F103 series. Also you can call it blue pill, and it is more powerful than Arduino Nano. And in this tutorial I will cover these topics, that is introduction to STM32, how to connect to PC, and install STM32 boards, how to upload the code. Okay, let's start it. First, our STM32F103 series is a 32-bit microcontroller. You can know that Arduino Uno is a 8-bit microcontroller, so it is 4x faster than Arduino Uno. If we talk about its clock speed is 72 megahertz, and you remember Arduino Uno's clock speed is something 16 megahertz, so it is 4.5 faster than Arduino, and you can overclock it 128 megahertz, and its total input output pins are 26. It have 10 analog inputs, and it is internally 7 timers, 2 I2C ports, 3 UART ports, and 2 SPI ports. And how to connect to PC? First, we need a FTDI programmer, and you can see that USB to TTL converter, you can say that, and it's dual power 5 volt and 3.3 volt, and we switch the 5 to 3.3 volt because our STM32 needs 3.3 volt. Now this is the circuit diagram, how to connect the FTDI programmer. Okay, just ground of the programmer, connect to ground of STM32, and VCC of the programmer, connect to 3.3 volt pin of the STM32. Now TX, which is transmitter, to connect A0 pin, A10 pin of the STM32, and RX, which is receiver, to A9 of the STM32. Okay. Now connect all the pins correctly. We need this USB. Okay, how to install the STM32 boards? Go to files and preference, and you have to just copy this link and paste it here, the link in description. Okay, now go to tools and board and board manager, and search here STM32. You can see that. Now click on install. Please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get notification. Please, if you like this, please click on like. It takes few minute times. Okay, it is installed. Now click on OK, and go to tools, board, and you can see that there is STM32, and we choose the STM32F103 series. Okay, how to upload the code? Okay, before upload the code, you have to switch the jumper and 0 to 1 state, like that. Then you can connect the tools that are your USB port, FTDI programmer. Okay. And one more thing, just upload the upload method, that is our serial. Okay. choose its serial. Now go to files, examples, and basic blink. Okay, we run that code on that LED blink. Okay, in this code we have to just change the pin number. Okay, this is PC13, which is a LED pin number that inbuilt on our blue pill or STM32, and change here also PC13 and here PC13. Okay, now our code is ready. Just upload it. Okay, you can see that the code is loading. Now code is uploaded, and you can see that a LED is blinking, the green LED that inbuilt on our PCB is blinking. Okay, now if you reset the PCB at this point, the code will get erased, and you will see that LED won't blink anymore. So if you want to keep the code before you reset the board, switch back the jumper from 1 to 0. Then you can reset the code, and the code will run forever. Okay. Now you can disconnect the FTDI Programmer and just power up by using your USB cable, and you can see the LED is still blinking. In future I will come with more projects using these STM32 microcontrollers.